Hi guys, my name is Stanley and thank you for watching my channel. I'm with RC Tank Legion and today we're going to show you this cast metal Leopard 2 lower hull. It comes with, this is a ready to go lower hull. All you need to do is you get a hang low upper hull and you can match. It matches up with the screw bosses that's available here, and all you need is your control board, your upper hull, your battery, your speaker, and it's good to go. It comes with metal wheels, metal road wheels, metal tracks with rubber pads, the anti-slip sprocket, the very big, I think this is a 550 motor metal steel gearbox. So this is a high-speed gearbox and of very large motor, so it's much bigger than the stock 380 motors. And of course, as you can see here, very large heat sinks. This is pretty much plug and play. If you can see over here, there's a switch. This is for you to solder on. Put your switch on the outside. This is also for your charging, but personally speaking, we don't use such a big battery. You know, maximum 3S. This looks like a 6S setup, but not an issue. Okay, so it comes with extra bits and pieces. This is I can see some LEDs in there and some additional track pads. This is Torsion, fully Torsion suspension, Torsion bar suspension. So it's really nice. This itself is about 5 kilos. That's about 10 or 11 pounds in, you know, for those guys in the US. It's really nicely detailed, fully solid. You don't have to do any hull reinforcements for this. All you have to do is get your Leopard 2 upper hull with your control board. I would highly recommend the TK80 to maximize the potential that you can get from this lower hull. And you get the big speaker box, something like this. This is a custom speaker box I made for modern battle tanks. It kind of fits right here. It's really nice. You can, if you can make it bigger, by all means. Of course, you need to figure out where to put your board, where to put your battery, and of course how big a space left for your speaker box. We check it out on website. We have this. We are the only guys in Malaysia to have this in stock. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and of course please like, share and subscribe.